Okay, let us see how to set this ruler when you receive the machine. You see, if we move here, the number should be smaller, but it's opposite. When we move to the smaller, it will increase, and when we move to the far, but it's a decrease. So we have to opposite it. Okay, we update the numbers to make sure that if we move it to the bigger size, it will increase. Okay, we press enter for a little bit longer time, and then it shows. Then we press this button to 03, and then press enter. Then we change this number with this button, finish the setting. Okay, after we set it, you see when we increase it, the number will increase, and we finish the first setting. And then we try to set the precise numbers. For example, we move the ruler to 100 millimeters. Then we lock the rulers. Also, you can use this ruler to make a cut and measure the materials. This will give you more precise numbers. Then we set it. Okay, we press enter, and then we turn it to P02, and then press enter, and then we type in the password. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. Okay, then we change this number to 1000 and press enter. Okay, we finish this setting. Then it's same with the ruler. Or you can make a cut and type in the real measurements of the panels you cut. Okay, let us see. Okay, this is you see, it is the same with measurements now. Okay, after we set the right informations for the initial ruler. The initial ruler, we move maximum to 1.7 meter about. But if it is over than that, then we will use this extension rulers. So we can also use this digital display to show the extension ruler measurements. Okay, let us go to P01. Press enter, and then P10. Okay. We only set one. Set it to 1. Okay, then press enter, and then we set the measurements 1695. Okay, press enter. Okay, And if we press this 2 button, the measurement is shows for the extension rulers now. And if you want back to original, we just press this 2 button. Make sure you press it. Okay, press it.
不好按，你得同时稍微有点间隙都不行。
Okay, then that is the measurement for the initial rulers. And if we press this button, same time, then this is extension ruler measurements.
别的就没有了。